Let's talk about this reolink Elite floodlight Wi-Fi camera. I want to install this in my backyard. However, I don't want to hire an expensive electrician or run new conduits. Currently, I'm running a mini solar power system in my tool shed. It does have a lithium phosphate battery as well as a power inverter. It has a 100-watt solar panel that recharges the batteries. It has a good view of the patio door. Using an old power cord and a power junction box, I want to show you how easy it is to install a camera onto a solar power system. The first thing you want to do is install the junction box and put the reolink mounting bracket on top of that. You may have to be creative and drill additional holes on top of the cover. Make sure that the junction box and the mounting plate are securely attached to each other. The reolink mounting plate is very easy to install and only requires a few screws. There's a screen float on top that lets you know if the mounting plate is leveled or not. Use 2 wall screws to attach the bracket onto the junction box. Once the mounting bracket is attached, the next step is to attach the power cables. The floodlight uses a black, white, and green wire. To make the connection, I use these Waggle wire connectors. They're easy to use, and I don't have to worry about the wirings coming loose. When you're making the connections, make sure that the colors match up. The white should connect to the white, and black to black, as well as green to green. Once the wires are connected, the next step is to attach the floodlight onto the mounting bracket. I forgot to mention, do not plug the cables into a power source at this time yet. I like using reolink cameras because they're simple to use and easy to install. This camera records in 4K and uses dual lenses to create a 180-degree panoramic view. For video storage, you can either save it in the cloud or locally onto an SD card. The floodlight is also fully customizable. You can change the color temperature as well as the brightness. The floodlight is rated for 300 lumens. It supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 and uses the 2.4 and 5 GHz bandwidth. You can also view the live video from anywhere in the world. The camera does support two-way communication, so you can listen and talk to the intruder. After you verify that all the wiring is correct, the last step is to plug the power cord into the inverter. Install the app onto your mobile device and then scan the QR code that's on top of the camera. Follow the instructions and link your Wi-Fi to it. If you want to record to a micro SD card, you can insert it now. The maximum disk size you can use is 512 GB. You can either set it for continuous recording or by motion. The camera also has built-in AI features, and you can set the triggers for either person, animal, or vehicle. Both the camera and floodlights are fully adjustable. You can point and highlight specific areas in front of it. What about nighttime recording? Well, it records both in black and white as well as full color. The camera also comes with 2-year warranty. Let me quickly show you how it looks on the mobile device. The app will show all the other reolink cameras that's on your network. You can quickly switch between the different cameras. Most of the cameras on my property are reolinks, with the majority of them using the 4K dual camera lenses. The videos are sharp and crisp. You can also set up for alerts whenever it detects something. I would like to thank Reolinks for sending me this camera so that I can create a video to show you guys what it looks like and how to set it up.